going to be continuing the conversation about renovations and talking about more of a simple solution if you're not looking to do any major renovations when you're preparing to sell. The main thing that you need to focus on is fixing what's broken. So if you have any door handles that need to be replaced, now's the time to do it. Replace any lights that are out. If there are any cracks in your tile or any little things like that that need to be fixed, go ahead and fix those. And then if you want to make the house look a little bit more clean and open, then repaint the walls and just do like a lighter color like white, off-white, cream, gray, anything that's like a little bit lighter, and it's gonna help brighten up the home and catch all of the light that you have in your windows and everything. So you don't have to spend a lot of money. Making those little fixes will make all the difference.